Hi everyone, my name is Sejal Arora and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is really special to my heart and I really wanted to capture this memory forever with me and that's why I decided to post this YouTube video. So yes, we finally bought our first puppy. It was like a dream for me to have my own dog and finally it's fulfilled and I'm so happy. I mean, from the day he came, everything has been so positive. Like, he brought some positive vibes with him and I just can't wait to show him to you guys. Okay guys, 3, 2, 1 and meet Eddie. He's Eddie. He's a golden retriever.
Can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Can I take you there?
Okay, so he ran away. As you all know that I took a short break for approximately a month and during that he came. So of course अभी थोड़ा बड़ा हो चुका है. When he came home I couldn't just pick up the camera and vlog this. I was so into his cuteness and into him that I just forgot that I have to vlog also, and I just picked him up and started playing with him and making him recognize me. So yeah, I don't have any clips of when he was coming, but of course I have a lot of clips of his first day. I have got a few of his memories from past few days which I'm gonna be showing you guys. So let's go and see that.
Guess I'm just a play date to you.
So yeah, I'm very overwhelmed with my cute ball of happiness. So if you guys are wondering, he's 9 weeks old and he's very naughty. He's very naughty. There are days when we have to wash him 6 to 7 times a day because ये बार गंदगी में जाके बैठ जाता है. He loves bathrooms. He loves splash of water. कहीं पानी गिरे and it's his favorite day. उसका स्विमिंग पूल वहीं बन जाता है. So he loves water and he wakes up at 5 AM every morning. So we have to wake up with him every morning. I'm gonna show you guys his toys basket जो हमने अभी इन थोड़े दिन में इसके लिए इकट्ठे करे हैं. So we gathered all his toys in this really beautiful basket and some of these toys were specially bought for him and some of these were already lying around in our house. favorite cuddle toy. He loves to cuddle this teddy bear and sleep with him. इसकी एक चीज़ है कि he sits in front of the main door and keeps waiting all day. और जब भी बेल बजती है he is the first one to stand on the door. I mean ये किसी भी कोने में हो घर के, he'll just rush to the door whenever bell rings and बस वहाँ खड़ा हो जाएगा and just waits for us to open the door. He just loves meeting people and just plays with everyone who comes. I am very idle these days, but yet I am so busy with him and I'm never bored. My whole day goes like this. अभी छोटा भी है तो ध्यान बहुत ज़्यादा रखना पड़ता है. We have to always keep an eye on him कि ये कहाँ है, कुछ शैतानी तो नहीं कर रहा है, कुछ तोड़ तो नहीं रहा है. तो of course भले ही छोटा है but इसकी काफ़ी चीज़ें हम लोगों ने collect करी है. Let me show you some of them. It's really hot these days, so he sleeps on floor, but this is his pillow which he loves to keep with him while sleeping. This is where we keep his toys basket, and just below it the drawer is only dedicated to Eddie and his stuff. My mom is really fond of dressing him up, so not just one but she bought 3 bows for him. Right now he doesn't wear any of them, but very soon he'll start wearing them. This is Eddie's newest leash and a bell attached to it, which we really love. Eddie's collar belt, and we have also bought this beautiful bell to attach to its collar. So another leash for him, like a backup leash for him, which we attach to that blue collar. On to grooming, we bought this really amazing comb for him, and I think it's really helpful for his long hair. This is his antifungal antibacterial powder. He is really small to have a bath, but he gets really dirty, so in order to clean his fur we use this Johnson's baby shampoo to clean him up. And yes, this is his towel to wipe him up every time he jumps in water. So these are his wee pads. He is being trained to pee on them every time rather than peeing on the floor. Lastly, this is his potty picker. I mean, I don't have to explain what it does. So अभी ये छोटा है तो ये ज़्यादा कुछ खाता नहीं है, but he loves the smell of chicken and mango, और वही दोनों चीज़ें अभी हमें इसको देनी नहीं है. Of course when he grows up सब कुछ दे सकते हैं, but अभी नहीं देनी है. He just makes that puppy face and it breaks our heart to not give him, but अभी ये छोटा है, क्या करें. Talking about food, these are his treats which we always give him to praise him when he does something good, or in general to train him. Got these calcium sticks for him which we'll give him when he grows up. Talking about his food on daily basis, so when he came we used to give him this cereal egg for quite a few days, but now that he's grown up we have switched to this puppy dog food by Royal Canin for him. So yeah guys, this was a really small video dedicated to him. Basically I was planning to make a vlog in his life, like how he wakes up, everything dedicated to him, but I realized कि अभी ये बहुत छोटा है, अभी इसकी इतनी वॉक भी शुरू नहीं हुई है और ज़्यादा कुछ खाता भी नहीं है, so the vlog would get boring. So with time when he grows up and सब activities करने लगेगा, I'm gonna make a vlog in his life. So if you guys want to see that vlog, then do let me know in the comments below. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video, and don't forget to hit the like button for him. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do subscribe it, because Eddie की और videos भी आने वाली हैं very soon. And I'm gonna see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay positive and stay motivated. Lots of love. Bye bye.